Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in my previous video, I tried to show you how to check the absconding cases in labor and immigration. Today there is more update regarding absconding, how you can check by step, and I have some new updates to show it to you. So kindly stay with me and follow the steps. So guys, as you are looking that I have one of the labor card. This person is absconding from the labor department, so I will teach you how to check the step by step in my new update. So guys, you have to go to the Mohre website, mohre.gov.ae services. So in the inquiry services you will see there are a lot of options, but today first we will check that how we can check the absconding from the beginning. So guys, first you click the option print electronic work permit, and I have the labor card, and try to print the electronic work permit, which we can say the labor card details. So I will click here. So guys, have you seen it's written here, person having absconding report. Person having absconding report cannot view the electronic work permit contact information. So it means this person absconded by the labor department. So when we click the same option, the labor card will show here. Now we will go back. So we have seen this information. Now at the top we will look one. We will see electronic. We will click on electronic work permit information. Click here. Yeah. So guys, here it will show the remarks of the absconding person. Person has absconding case in Ministry of Labor, Mole. Runaway. Person has runaway complaint against him in Ministry of Labor. So here guys, this person is absconded. You can see the details. Now we will go back. This is the second step we have to see. Then we have to click on cancellation transaction inquiry by the same number. But here guys, it will not show you anything. In my previous video there was some details by the labor department, that details is after cancellation. So guys, we will go back again. We will close this. If the person already cancelled, then the information will show here cancellation transaction inquiry. If the person is active, it will not show. And one more thing, when you click over here, electronic work permit information. So guys, this person is already absconded, but the work permit is active. Electronic work permit is active because this person absconded from the labor department. So if the person absconded from the immigration only, so the status will show here cancelled. Keep it in mind. Now we will go back. In the same way, we will go to the ICA Smart Services to check the absconded information of the same person. So guys, I have the one of the Emarat ID. I will check by the Emarat ID. You can check by the file number. Either you can check the Emarat unified number. So I have the Emarat ID, so I will check by the Emarat ID. So we will type here 19876546. So guys, when you click here, you see the red mark. So whenever you see the red mark, it means this person has some violations. So we will search. So this is the file of the absconded person, but the file status show active. So guys, this I am checking for the Abu Dhabi and for the Alain. Suppose if your visa is from the Dubai, it will show here violation or temporary file closed. In my previous video I show you already, so you can see here violated. When you search the person is absconded or have violation, it will show you violated, and the second one will show you the active. And there is one more I have already in my database. I will show you here. This is written temporary file closed. This person has a violation. So this is for the Dubai, and which I show you the previous, it is from the Alain or Abu Dhabi, because the all Emirat have the separate immigration. So all immigration have the separate procedure. So in that case, if it is active, it doesn't mean the person is, he does not have the, or she does not have the absconding, because the labor department information shows this person already ran over from the employer. So these are the steps. Its steps are very easy, and my video is for the beginners, so I can also make the mistakes. You can send me the feedback by the comment section, and hopefully this information is useful. So guys, I request you to subscribe my channel, and in future any useful update or information I can share with you. This is as per my professional experience I am showing you here, so anybody can check. The main thing is that you should have the labor card number. Without labor card number you cannot check your absconding procedure. So like my channel and subscribe. Thank you.